what new singers don't realize is how absolutely critical learning vowels and getting the correct vowel on phrases is. Something as simple as singing a bin, like B-I-N, bin with an I-H, bin, it's going to get tight. It feels so tight. It makes everything tight. So if you would drop that I, and make your mouth the shape of an so you're going to go I. Seems silly, but it's going to work, okay? So you're going to go bin instead of bin. So been working so hard. So we're going to write the vowels. The vowel we're going to write in this phrase is predominantly an a and a ba. So been working so hard. So oh ah been working so hard. Then I punch in my card. We could say I, which is I-E, which is not so easy, right? I punch in my card, which sounds really weird. So we're going to do ah. Instead of I punch in my card. Instead of my, I punch in my card. Now I sang, I would walk 500 miles. That's kind of what it sounds like. Don't do the diphthongs, okay? Try to sing the first half of the diphthong, which is the first vowel that you're going to come across. So in I, it's going to be an ah. What is it? I punch in my card. Then 8 hours. 8 hours, right? So 8 is going to be instead of 8. 8 is another diphthong. 8. 8 hours. 8 hours. Without the vowels then. Try it without your good vowels if you can't. Here we go. Been working so hard. Yeah. So instead we switch the is, all the is to ah. So been working so hard. I punch in my card, right? Yeah. 8 hours for work. Oh. Won't tell me what I got. Been working so hard. I'm punching my card. 8 hours for work. Won't tell me what I got. And that is how it is done. Sometimes, high five. Okay, so now we're sitting here with your little vowel cheat sheet, which does seem really silly that we're doing so much with vowels, but you know, to be honest, it just took a little bit of brain work, and it took all of the straining out. Now she can go into tonight's show and just sail through rather than skrelt and hurt. New students, don't get overwhelmed. I will be showing you how to make vowels and how to pick the right vowels for whatever it is that you're up against. Pop music takes a certain type of vowel. Operatic music takes a different kind of vowel modification. But all in all, it's just a bunch of fun with vowels. Hope you enjoyed.